how to combine photo like that or like that, combine two photo together or four photo together. For that, open your shortcut, then press on gallery and simply search here grid, grid. Then you can see the photo grid option, add it. Now press on cancel, go back to your shortcut. Now you can see the photo grid option. Just open photo grid. Now select your image. If you want four images together, then you have to select four images. 2 3 4, then press on add and it's done. And to save it, press on this icon, press on save image. Now it's saved to your gallery. Open your gallery, then go, then you can see this image is available here. Thank you, have a good day.